Morning, good evening, good night. Hi. Class started now. Just now we are going to start with the class. Hi, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night. Hi. Bagunnara, everyone. Manchi at home. Did class start? Kya? Yeah, class started. Sweet dreams also. No problem. Bagunnara, everyone. Manchi at home. Bagunnara, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, sweet dream, Jagrata, take care. Bagunnara, everyone. Manchi at home. Everyone. Manchi at home. Hi. For our YouTube family also hi. And for app always hi. No problem. Yeah. Someone is saying video not coming. Video is coming, bhai. How it's possible that video is not coming? Bindu, you can check your connection. No problem. Yeah. Sir, costume change. Yes. At that time, I just came. I landed at airport and directly came to the campus. So now after that, dress change. No problem. Some cosmetic changes also done. Some powder and some foundation and something. No problem. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Someone is saying, sir, I love physics. You love to be doctor. Remaining things doesn't matter. Yeah. Makeup I put. Yeah. Okay. No problem. I'm not natural beauty as all of you. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Huh. Which country you went? I went to heaven. Tirumala I went. Tirumala means heaven. It's not on earth. It's heaven. I went for Govinda Darshanam. Yeah. So Govinda. So don't say country. It's a heaven. Countries, different countries are Pansar goes in those countries. Yeah. We go to heaven. Heaven means Tirumala. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Govinda. No problem. Yeah. Pinky sir, Milky sir, okay. Beauty, secret of you. Beauty of your secret or secret of your beauty. Who is that? Krupa is asking beauty of your secret. Secret of your beauty पूछना चाहिए ना बाबा. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Darshanam was Manchi. No problem. One of our parent only arranged. So everything was fine. No problem. Yeah. And I made a wish to Lord Govinda also that all of our student has to be successful. Yeah. And you know what was his reply? His reply was, I don't do favor to anyone. I just give result of their hard work. I just give result of their hard work. Laddu, I will send to you. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Always remember, luck favors the brave person. Luck favors the person who work for it. It's not like that. Yeah. Many of you are thinking, sir, I was getting very good rank this year, very good marks this year. Sir, now again I have to write the NEET exam. Bad luck. I'm bad. No, you're not bad luck. You have got one more opportunity. Acha, you can say, you can ask one thing from your side. Yeah, okay, no problem. We want laddu. Laddu will be given. Don't worry. No problem. Yeah. Class, we will go as per the timing. Class will go up to 7 o'clock. We will see. We'll not be in hurry. We will finish out the things from NCERT. No problem. Yeah. Acha, one thing seriously you can ask from you. Does after NEET exam, don't you felt if one more chance would have been there, I could have given little more better I could have done? Are you 100% satisfied with your performance in the NEET which happened on 3rd May? Are you 100% satisfied? Or somewhere in your mind it was going on, sir, if little time, little more hard work I could have done, I could have got better rank, I could have got better marks. Yeah, so that is the time came. That is the time came now. Yeah, maybe some people will be satisfied, but no option is there. No option is there for that. Yeah. 680 you got in first chance, you can get 720 also now. Don't worry about that. Always remember one thing. Yeah. Harsha is saying, sir, I got 490 marks. Now, yeah, I got another chance. Someone has got, you should not be satisfied without 720. Means 715, 710. You should be happy with that. Those who are getting 680 and saying, sir, I was satisfied. No. Don't compromise at even lower than what is maximum. So point is, yeah, that attitude now required. So point is, after NEET exam, I know some of the people who got 670, they were crying also. They were crying also, sir, I did silly mistake. If another chance would have been there, I would have corrected those mistake. I could have got 700. So that chance came na bhai. Without asking, Govinda listened to you. And he gave you that chance. He gave you that chance. He gave you that chance. Think positively. Always remember, okay, let's see when re-NEET will happen. That is not your point. You cannot decide it. That will be decided by NTA. As per that, we will have changes in our program. So don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Yeah, okay. So now think in a positive manner. Someone is saying 697 marks I got, sir. Okay, no problem. I don't know how you got 697 marks. Is it possible to get that marks also or not? But point is, because otherwise this talk will go for longer time. We don't have time right now. Yeah, okay. Point is, think positively that I can still improve my marks. I know so many students, those who gave JEE Mains, first attempt they gave, second attempt they gave, and all the serious students who prepare for better, who prepare in a good manner, always improve their marks in the second exam. Just like that same time came for all of you also. It's like JEE Mains, 2 sittings are there na, by 2 attempts are there na. Like that only you got 2 attempts now. 1 attempt already given. Second attempt you have to give. And I know so many people. Good chances there. Are bhai, Bhavana kya bol rahe? 510. Easily you can reach 610. Easily you can reach to 610. So point is, just like JEE Mains, we have seen so many students who improve their marks in the second attempt. Not everyone. Only those people who prepare in the best possible manner during the gap of JEE Mains 1 and JEE Mains 2. So like that only gap came. NEET 1 done. Okay, think like that. You have got another chance. Perform in the best possible manner. Stay positive. Even if you're getting 700 marks in the third May NEET, now it has 0 value. So it has 0 value. If you are getting 700 marks also in last NEET, you have that marks as 0 value. So now leave all those things. Prepare for your final NEET exam, which date will be decided soon. It will be in the June. Date did not come. That date will come. Now this is my, can I go get? Why not? You can get, anyone can get any marks depending on your hard work. Is it okay, bhai? Kitna okay? You got 720, very good. You'll again get 720. At least you'll get AIR 1. Even if you not get 720, you'll get good rank. Don't worry about that. Yeah. So is it okay for everyone? Is anyone is there who's still having any negativity in their mind? कोई negativity नहीं भाई, no negativity. कितना भी marks आ रहा था, that marks has now 0 value. You have to improve yourself. Life is all about improvement. One chance given, whatever marks came, now live it. Move on. Come on and move on. Come on and move on now. Move on from that paper. Now prepare for the NEET which is going to come. And for that only we are having the classes. Yesterday only they cancelled. Today we are having the classes. So come on. Shall we start? Shuru kar de bhai. Shuru kar de. Past, we can only learn from past, but we have to act in future. That future time has come for all of you. Come on and move on from last NEET. Move on. Whatever happened, leak happened, वो तेरा मैटर नहीं है भाई, उसको छोड़ दे. किसने लीक किया, किसने गेस पेपर निकाला, किसके कितने मार्क्स आए, तेरे कितने मार्क्स आए, मेरे कितने मार्क्स आए, अब उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. That has 0 importance. That is simply time pass. Now importance is of the NEET which is going to happen in the next month. Prepare for that. Wasting time is not allowed now. Paper label, paper easy, tough, क्या matter करता है भाई? And why all of you want easy paper भाई? क्या why everyone says sir easy paper will come or tough? Easy comes, so what will happen? Cutoff will increase. Tough will come, cutoff will decrease. Selection is ultimate thing. Rank is ultimate. That thing will happen. So don't beg from the NTA. Easy paper दे दो भैया. 2 + 2 = कितना होगा? 3 + 5 = कितना होगा? अरे क्या कर लेगा उससे भाई, सबका 720 आएगा तो तेरा मेहनत कहाँ गया? वेयर इज योर हार्ड वर्क? इफ एवरीवन विल गेट 720, वेयर इज योर हार्ड वर्क? Better sit in the exam of LKG. There you'll get rank 1. There you'll get rank 1. Paper will be easy. They will ask A for apple, A for Akhilesh also. Yeah, so all these things are useless, wastage of time. Now we'll start with our class. We'll start with our class. Class पे focus करो, future पे focus करो, उसके लिए काम करो. Marks comes by hard work, not by useless things. So start that hard work. For that only we have started with our program. No tips, nothing. Only one thing is there, do your best possible hard work. Whatever the time you have right now left, dedicate that time only for one purpose, that is to get better rank, better marks, to improve yourself in the coming NEET exam. Why I am saying like this? Because ultimately it's a competition. Remaining people throughout the India are wasting time just like all of you. Sir, paper will be easy or tough, when again re-NEET will happen. अरे वो तो पता चल जाएगा ना भाई. Is it only when you will know, first person to know will be, then only it will be good? No, ultimately everyone will be able to know it. So don't worry about that. Everything is okay, no problem, no problem. So let's start with our class. So focus करके पढ़ाई करो. Coming 1 month 40 days पूरा మొత్తం focus పెట్టండి. Only ఒకటి purpose, to improve your rank, to improve your marks in the final NEET exam. Already experience you have got. Already you have got one experience of NEET exam just now. So now you have to perform better manner. First day when Virat Kohli played his first one day and now he plays the one day. You can find the difference. What is the difference? Skills are same. Only difference, he has now got experience. So that experience also you have got. So now let's start. Otherwise this discussion will go for ever. No problem. Yeah. And one more thing. This class is just for your support. Don't become parasitic on this class. It's not like that only class, seeing the concept. No, you have to treat this class as a support for all of you. After class, whatever the model we are discussing, whatever the concept of NCERT we are discussing, you have to do them again. Sit again and do those questions again by yourself. Then only when question will come in the NEET exam, you will be able to do. It's not like parasites, sir देख लिया, class खत्म हो गया, टाटा बाय बाय, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. Final NEET में भी टाटा बाय बाय हो जाएगा. So after class, sit down and see all the models again do all those questions, again revise all those concepts, and also revise your main notes. Most important weapon which you have right now is your main notes. So after NCERT, see all these models, do all these questions again, and again look back your main class notes. So this is the process that you have to follow. Attend the class, do the question, discuss in the class, NCERT को complete करो, उसके बाद main notes फिर से करो. Assignment will be given. Don't worry about all those things will be done. Don't worry, in the app it will be given. Yeah. So let's start. 2 chapters we have. Yeah, Bhavna, no need to say. Saying, sir, questions came from your, it will come. Easy paper, tough paper. From main notes, if tough paper will come, tough question of notes will come. If easy paper will come, easy question of notes will come. Or questions of NCERT will come. So don't worry about that. Don't think about paper. Think about your preparation. Preparation के बारे में सोचो. No problem. If preparation is good, even tough paper will be best for you. Don't worry about that. So let's start with our class. No problem. Yeah. So today we have to finish out 2 chapters because time is less. You already know. Motion in a straight line, motion in a plane. And we will restrict ourselves to the NCERT. But you will not restrict yourself only to NCERT. You have to also revise your main notes. Main notes model also cover models of JEE Mains, which can be asked in your coming NEET exam also. So it's not like that we will restrict ourselves to the NCERT, but you have to also go through your main class notes. उसको भी अच्छे से revise करना. Grand test, when it will happen, what है useless चीजें मत पूछा करो भाई. पढ़ाई पे ध्यान करो. कब खाना बनेगा इससे पेट नहीं भरेगा. Your stomach will not be filled when bhojanam will be prepared. It will be filled only when you eat it. So खाओ, concept को खाओ, पढ़ाई करो. No problem. Yeah. So let's start with motion in a straight line, and we will only touch the things which are very important, from where questions are predicted to be asked. So let's start, no problem. Yeah. So introduction, no need to give. If a body move in a straight line, it's a motion in a straight line. Now here one thing is there which I need to tell, which everyone knows also, but since we are having little detailed discussion of NCERT, so one point you have to write also in your NCERT. You can write there in your NCERT. If you have NCERT, write there, or if you don't have NCERT right now, write in a page and then again write back on your main NCERT, no problem. Yeah. So here one point is there, because this year paper was easy, you can say. So some simple concept was also asked. So one simple concept I wanted to tell you from here. That is, what is the relation between distance and displacement? So always remember, your distance will be always greater than equal to magnitude of displacement. Your distance will be always greater than equal to magnitude, because this year paper theoretical questions were asked, simple questions were asked. So like that, only one concept is there, which NCERT has given in all these points. If you read all these points, this is the final conclusion you will get. Distance will be always greater than equal to magnitude of displacement. And can you tell me when both will become equal? Is it possible for distance and displacement to have equal value? Both cannot be exactly equal, because one is a scalar, one is vector. But when it is possible for a body in a motion to have same distance and displacement value, numerical value same, only in motion in a straight line. That is the definition of motion in a straight line. Motion in a straight line along a fixed direction. That is the definition, not rectilinear. Yeah, we'll simply say. So always remember, distance will be always greater than equal to magnitude of displacement, and equality holds. Both will be equal. Equality holds only for motion in a straight line. Motion in a straight line. In a straight line. Assertion reasoning question may be asked, or statement question may be asked. Distance will be always greater than equal to magnitude of displacement. Equality will hold only for motion in a straight line. Of course, in a fixed direction. In a fixed direction. So this is important theoretical question. You always say, sir, theoretical question we do unnecessary mistake. So this is one theoretical question which can be asked. Seeing this year paper, seeing the paper which is now cancelled. Yeah. Simple questions were asked, so they can ask you this question, no problem. Yeah. Now from here, second point, which I will show you later in NCERT, second point. So first point you have to keep in your mind, you have to write it also. Now next point I am going to write. Always remember, when you divide distance by time, means total distance by total time, you will get average speed. And when you divide total displacement by total time, you will get average velocity. So same relation will hold for average speed will be also always greater than equal to magnitude of average velocity. Again, equality will hold. Again, equality holds. This is a second theoretical point. Equality holds again only for motion in a straight line. Equality holds for, again, motion in a straight line. I'm not writing complete because I don't have that much of time. But this is a second point. But if I talk about instantaneous value, so always remember, if I talk about, sir, okay, you talk about total distance, total displacement, you talk about average speed, average velocity. But if someone asks me at a particular instant, your distance and your speed and your velocity will be same. So if I compare instantaneous speed will be equal to, always equal to. Instantaneous speed will be always equal to magnitude of instantaneous velocity. Is it okay, bhai? Up to third point, is it okay? Ek bar bol do, bhai. Our future medicos in app and in the YouTube live. Come on, is it okay? Instantaneous always equal, whether speed they talk or velocity they talk. but average speed will be greater than equal to magnitude of average velocity. Equality will hold only for motion. इसको दिमाग में बैठा लेना. You cannot, yes, keep in your mind, easy paper question can be asked, no problem, yeah. Now let's move further. All these things they have told here, that is, you can check the magnitude of displacement may or may not be equal to transfer. Okay, no problem, yeah, same thing they are trying to tell. Now here some graphs are given in NCERT. This year in the NEET 2026 cancelled NEET, yeah, okay. One graphical, that graph also I will show. During our marathon gold, I told that graph also. That graph also I discussed in the class, same graph came. I was about to put in our YouTube channel, but before that NEET cancelled, yeah, okay. So I think everyone knows, for graphical you should have things in your mind. I will just revise those points. Slope of displacement time graph represent velocity, means instantaneous velocity. Slope of velocity time graph represent acceleration. These points I'm just concising them because it's not marathon, so we have little time to go through these concepts. Yeah. Third point, सारे points को दिमाग में रखोगे और इसको लिख लोगे. Area of velocity time graph represent change in position, which is also known as displacement. And fourth is area of acceleration time graph represent change in velocity. That is delta V, or you can say V minus U. So this graph, if you check, this is zero slope. XT graph means its slope will represent velocity. Slope of displacement time graph, position time graph represent velocity. Now this is zero slope, velocity zero. Velocity zero means particle is at rest. फिर से बैठ के देखोगे ग्राफ, ऐसे ओरली हवा में नहीं भाई, मैंने यहाँ लिखा है, मैंने भी हवा में नहीं किया है, उसको करोगे फिर से देखोगे, अच्छा, this is a graph for particle at rest. This is graph, here slope is constant. If you check this graph, in this graph slope is constant. Slope is constant and positive slope. Constant slope means velocity is constant. Velocity is constant means uniform motion. Uniform motion means the motion which velocity is constant. That is known as uniform motion, no problem. Let's move to the next graph. This is important graph. Which because they are very easy. This is important graph, no problem, yeah. Okay, no problem. एक बार देखेंगे भाई, एक बार देखेंगे. If you check this graph, you will realize this graph has been drawn like this. Now this graph has three regions. For example, I told during marathon gold also, no problem, yeah. They can ask you, this is position time graph, no problem. They can say this is time t1, this is t2, this is time t3, 0 to t1. Can you tell me about velocity? From t1 to t2, can you tell me about velocity? From t2 to t3, can you tell me about velocity? What is happening to the velocity? एक बार देख लो भाई, graph I have drawn on the board also, so that you will get more clarity, because NCERT everyone don't have, and that is board is little shiny. So you can tell, come on, Twarga. App, YouTube. जल्दी करो भाई, समय हम ले दूं. This graph can be asked. Increasing, constant, decreasing acceleration. Arey Baba, from 0 to t1, your slope is increasing. Slope is increasing means velocity is increasing, because slope of displacement time. फिर से notes में देखोगे, same graph is there in your main notes. People are saying na question directly came from main notes. No, those notes are as per NCERT. That's why whatever question will come, it will match from the notes. We are not God that we thought that we given and say NT is nothing. Because this graph is there in NCERT, that's why it is also there in your notes. Yeah. From 0 to t1, your slope is increasing. And what is slope of displacement time graph? Velocity. Velocity increasing means acceleration will be positive. From T1 to T2 you have a straight line. Straight line means slope is constant. Slope constant means velocity is constant. Velocity is constant means acceleration will be 0. From T2 to T3 your slope is decreasing. Slope is decreasing. If slope is decreasing means velocity is decreasing, means acceleration is negative, means T2 to T3 body has retardation. 0 to T1 body has acceleration, T1 to T2 body is moving with constant velocity, uniform motion, T2 to T3 body is in retardation. Is it okay, bhai? First acceleration, then velocity constant, then of course for coming to rest, acceleration has to be negative. Is it okay? फिर से एक बार देखना. Tomorrow they can give you graph like this and they will ask you comment on the motion of the body from 0 to T1, T1 to T2, T2 to T3. So from there you can get. But superficially it will not. You can take a screenshot also in between, because those who are watching on mobile phone, you can be more smart also. You can take that scanner also, but in between you can take a screenshot also. You are more smarter in smartphone than all of us. Yeah. So that's why you can take, no problem. Yeah. But don't miss it. Don't miss it. Yeah. Let's move further, bhai. Again, same thing. This is again position time graph. I'll just try to zoom it. Again, you have position time graph. Acha, in app not possible. Yeah. Okay. So you can have the code. QR code will be there. Yeah. Okay. Position time graph. Slope will represent velocity. Now this is constant positive slope. That's why velocity is positive. This is constant negative slope. That's why velocity is negative. This slope is 0. That's why velocity will be 0. Just now we have told you, no problem. Yeah. Okay. Let's move further. Then we'll check the questions. This question not required. You can do. In limited time we'll do questions. एक बार इसमें थोड़ा देख लो. चलो. Tell me about acceleration. Tell me about acceleration. What about acceleration from 0 to 8 seconds? Is it constant or 0 or increasing or decreasing or positive or negative? भाई थोड़ा खुद से करना पड़ेगा. हाँ. Velocity, yeah, okay, no problem. एक बार देख लो. अगेन ये इंपॉर्टेंट, ये जेई मेंस में पूछ चुका है ये ग्राफ. That's why I asked you also to see. This is the thing which you have to do in coming 40 days. This is the graph that we have. एक बार देख ले. From 0 to T1. This is velocity time graph, and this is example of increasing slope. 0 to T1, 0 to T1, 0 to T1. Slope is increasing. Slope is increasing. Slope is increasing. And what is the slope of velocity time graph? Acceleration. So acceleration is increasing, and of course that acceleration is positive because velocity is increasing. That's why acceleration will be increasing, and that increasing acceleration will be positive. Now if I mark from T1 to T2, which is the easiest one, T1 to T2, your velocity, slope is 0. If you check from T1 to T2, slope is 0. Slope is 0 means acceleration is 0, or you can say velocity is constant, which you are seeing here, velocity is constant. Third, from T2 to T3, चलो तुम बताओ भाई, T2 to T3 बता दो. चलो T2 to T3 बता दो. Acceleration is हाँ, Rohit Shankar correct, no problem. T2 to T3 बता दो. Constant negate, not अरे भाई, velocity is decreasing. I am talking about acceleration. Acceleration is negative, and that negative acceleration is constant. Constant negative. Don't say only negative. Two options will be there. Negative and variable negative, constant negative. This is a constant negative. Because slope is, it's a straight line, bhai. This is a constant negative slope. This is slope is constant. And that constant slope is negative because the angle is more than 90 degree. constant negative slope means acceleration will be constant and that constant acceleration will be negative. तो ऐसे बैठ के फिर से QR कोड यू विल बी गिवन, QR कोड ऐसे बैठ के खुद से डिकोड करना, एनीथिंग कैन बी आस्क्ड. Same from NCERT, tough question can be also framed, easy question has been also, easy can be also framed. The NEET which was cancelled, their easy questions were framed from NCERT. Now they can give you tough question framed like this, where you have to think everything, positive, negative, increasing, decreasing. Is it okay, bhai? Can I expect if such question will come, this graph will come? You'll be able to get everything. Achha, no problem. I will share the QR code at the end. You can take it, no problem. Yeah. Acceleration is the slope. Acceleration is the slope. So this slope is increasing. That's why acceleration is increasing. And slope is positive. That's why acceleration is positive. Positive increasing acceleration. Zero acceleration. Constant negative acceleration. So this graph is also important. Tough questions can be framed from here by giving you multiple options. So you must have exact idea of everything. Now let's move to question number. Example, solved example came. We will do this question, no problem. Easy question only. एक बार देख लो भाई, चलो देख लो. Such question will give in the test also. Don't worry about that. एक बार देख लो 3.2. एक बार देख लो, बैठ के अच्छे से करोगे. Okay, Mohammad Ali, I'm going out of the screen. He's saying, sir, थोड़ा सा हट जाओ. This eager of selection, you have to continue during this coming. You have to continue that eager. Right now, everyone is eager. Sir, I want selection. I want selection. In few days, your energy will know. Continue that momentum, continue that energy till final NEET, which is going to happen. Then only you'll get success with good rank. You'll improve your marks. Question number 3.2, easy paper can give you this question. Both things I will tell you. Position time graph of the particle given. So position time graph of the particle given and one equation, graph not given here. Position of the particle is given with the help of x coordinate. X coordinate is given as a plus bt square. Now two things they are asking you. What is its velocity at t equal to 0? Velocity at t equal to 0 means instantaneous velocity. Velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. Whenever such question comes, never put the value of a and b in the beginning. Do calculation, then later on put the value of a and b. Calculation will be easy. Position given, they are asking you velocity. So we already know instantaneous velocity will be, sir, dx by dt. Now from here, when you differentiate, a is a constant, differentiation 0, b constant, so a differentiation will become 0, b will remain as it is, t square differentiation will become 2t. That means velocity, instantaneous velocity will get 2bt. Now when they are asking you, first question they are asking you t equal to 0, put here t equal to 0, your velocity will come 0. Then they are asking you velocity at t equal to 2 seconds, put here t equal to 2, so 2b into 2, that will come 4b. B value also given, B value given 2.5. So 4 into 2.5, that will give you 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second, no problem. Yeah. So that will be, this is the first part, which is easy. What is its velocity at t equal to 0 and t equal to 2 seconds? Is it okay, bhai, bachcho? Again, we cannot repeat, Nana. Bro, Nana, Madam, Sir. Again, we cannot repeat. We don't have that much of time. Is it okay? Instantaneous. They are asking you velocity at a particular instant, na bhai. Means differentiation you have to do. Do dx by dt, you will get velocity. Put t equal to 0, you will get first velocity. T equal to 2 seconds, you will get second velocity. Now, second part is more important because there people can do more mistake. एक बार देख ले भाई, एक बार देख ले, एक बार. And करोगे. ऐसा नहीं कि हो गया, सर ने बता दिया हो गया. अरे go fire, go marathon gold also I told this question. People are still not able to do because they thought sir told, done. No bhai, sir job is to tell, but you have to do it. In the exam you have to do it. In your study you have to do it. Then only finally in the exam, NEET exam will be able to do it. So sir attitude रखो, तो attitude को change करो. Yes sir, करेंगे sir, करेंगे. God has given 40 more days, थोड़ा improve करेंगे और अच्छा rank लेके आएंगे, सबको दिखाएंगे, चलो, no problem यार. In the second part, Those who have studied, most of the people know, but still I will tell. Yeah, okay. In second part, they are asking you average velocity, V average. So I think everyone knows average velocity means total displacement by total time. That means change in position. Displacement means change in position. Delta x by delta t. Delta x means x2 minus x1. Delta t means t2 minus t1. Now here x2 you have to find. Sir, how to find x2 and x1? Because they have given only x. So always remember x2 means that value of x when time is t2. And what is time t2? Second time given how much? T equal to 4. So here put t equal to 4. You will get x2. If I put that will be a plus b into 4 square, 16b. This will be your x2. Similarly, get x1 by putting t equal to t1. That is 2 seconds. x1 means when time is t1, that is 2 seconds. Put kar do bhai a plus 4b. Now you can put it here. So this will become x2 will become a plus 16b minus x1 will become a plus 4b. By t2 minus t1 means 4 minus 2. Now you can solve from here, you will get the average. इसको lightly मत लो भाई, average velocity वाला important है, उसको lightly मत लो. Is it okay? Shankar has already given the answer. देख लो वहाँ calculate किया, NCERT में भी देख ले. अच्छा, we will give, no problem, don't worry. In app we will give. Underline this NCERT also, I'll ask them to put. No, don't worry, yeah. That doesn't mean you will not attend the class. Sir, NCERT already we got. So I do. No. Yeah, okay. Is it okay? एक बार confirm कर दो, तो मुझे भी अच्छा लगेगा. Is it okay if such question will come, you will be able to do? कोई problem नहीं है सर, कर लेंगे. Average velocity पूछ लिया, हो गया, हो जाएगा सर. Instantaneous differentiation average x2 minus x1 by t2 minus t1 done. No problem. Yeah, चलो. थोड़ा fastly बोला भी करो. बट ऐसे ओरली डन नहीं, क्लास के बाद करोगे, उसको बैठ के करना है. देन ओनली कॉन्फिडेंस विल कम, देन ओनली विल बी एबल टू डू इन द नीट. अगेन वन क्वेश्चन इज देयर भाई. चलो इस क्वेश्चन को भी देख लो. ओके अच्छा, can you tell me? Okay, chalo, no problem. What question can be framed from here? No problem. Yeah. Can anyone tell me what question can be framed from here? You'll get assignment in the app. Jaldi se bol de bhai. What question can be framed from here? How displacement, Rohit Shankar, aise kaise campus offline class will go? अरे जल्दी बताओ भाई, टाइम पास करने लगते हो. कैंपस में क्या होगा, खाना मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, भोजन मुंदी ले दो. व्हाट क्वेश्चन? चेंज इन वेलोसिटी. या बहुत बढ़िया. दोज हु नो व्हाट क्वेश्चन कैन बी फ्रेम्ड, डेफिनेटली दे विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व आल्सो, बिकॉज स्लोप ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन टाइम ग्राफ विल नॉट गिव यू एनीथिंग. व्हाट वी कैन कैलकुलेट हियर? एरिया वी कैन कैलकुलेट. बहुत बढ़िया. दोज हु विल बी एबल, दोज हु नो व्हाट क्वेश्चन कैन बी फ्रेम्ड, दे कैन डू आल्सो. Here acceleration time graph given, and you already know acceleration time graph given means area of acceleration time graph. Area of acceleration time graph will give you change in velocity, means final velocity minus initial velocity. Area you can find, this is triangle, this area 0, this area rectangle, negative area. Above x-axis area will be positive, below x-axis area will be negative. So this is one area that will come. This area will be 0. This is another area. You can find that area. That area will give you change in velocity v minus u. So from there we can get, yeah, acceleration, area of acceleration time graph. यही तो बताया था भाई, उसमें बताया तो था area of acceleration time graph will give you change in velocity. इसलिए तो शुरू में बता दिया था. Where is that? हाँ, हे भगवान, yeah, area of acceleration time graph will give you change in velocity. So you can do from there, no problem. Yeah. Achha, they can also ask, I think NCERT is also asking you to convert. Chalo, again, graph. Means we are focusing main on graph, because this year also question came on graph. I think everyone knows. Snake graph I cannot teach right now, that much time is not there. Yeah. So this is increasing slope. Increasing slope means what is the slope of displacement time graph? Velocity. So this is increasing velocity. Increasing velocity means acceleration will be positive. This is decreasing slope. Decreasing slope means velocity. What is slope of position time graph? Velocity. Decreasing slope is velocity is decreasing. Velocity is decreasing means acceleration will be negative. This is zero slope means acceleration velocity, not zero. This is a constant slope means velocity is constant. Velocity is constant means acceleration will be zero. Is it okay भाई? ये ग्राफ फिर से देख लो, फिर मैं आगे बढ़ूंगा. एक बार देख लो. ओहो, slope of displacement time graph is velocity. This is increasing angle. Chapter wise notes also. Okay. Hi. Now is it coming? Bhavana, it was there in your notes also. This question was, this is the graph I told in motion under gravity. Video now coming, YouTube people. Now it's clear. Chalo. So we were talking about this graph. Why I was saying you at that time don't take this graph slightly, because question came from here. This was the graph came. Negative acceleration graph for any object who has some initial velocity. They have mentioned also. Dekh lo bhai. This was the graph you saw. And during marathon gold also I have represented this graph. You can see motion of an object with negative acceleration that changes direction at point t1. Between 0 to t1, its motion is positive x coordinate. Same as your motion under gravity, ball thrown vertically upward. This was the option. Though second option was also correct, because here they have directly copied from NCERT. That's why they have taken this graph as the final answer. But this was the question that came. Not controversial, both are correct. Actually, both were correct, but now those don't have any meaning. They took from here. So that's why they give this as option. Otherwise, second option was also correct. So एक बार सारे ग्राफ को बैठ के देख लेना भाई. This is your responsibility now. Area of velocity time graph represent. Okay, no problem. Area of velocity time graph for okay, no problem. These और सारी चीजें देख लेना. These are not very important. Already we know. Equation of motion is there. We'll go to the question. This question I got bored so many times. I told. Many people of you have done correct. Most of the people have done correct. Some people in examination pressure has done that question wrong. But I'm just trying to tell you from where paper was designed. Like that only again paper can be designed. So that's why you have to go through every question in a perfect manner. No problem. Yeah. So that's why I'm asking you to do question after the class also. So let's see question number 3.4. Ready, you already have na NCERT is there. एक बार बैठ के देख ले. I already explained on the graph. Why to see from here? NCERT में खुद से बैठ के देख लो. Already shown. चलो question number 3.4 एक बार देख लेते हैं. This is also important question. Once came in the NEET. That's why less chances are there. But again it can be asked. देख लो question number 3.4. Then I will do. And this type of model is very important. And language is important. Many people are not able to get the language in the final NEET. So एक बार देख लो भाई 3.4. A ball is thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 20 meters per second from the top of a multi-story building. The height of the ball means yeah. Same question I have discussed so many times. So that's why that much interest not coming. But it can come in the NEET, so that's why we have to again do. No problem, yeah. A ball is thrown vertically upward. Still, yeah, some video problem is there. Rohit Sankar remember the answer also. NCERT से देख के बता रहा है क्या रोहित? NCERT से copy paste मार रहा है क्या? A video problem is going on, but we'll correct it. Don't worry. Now coming. Chalo, bhai, I don't have time. Okay, you did then very nice. Okay, 20 is from the tower. From ground, if they ask you, that will become 45. No problem, yeah. So, chalo, dekh lo. वन बिल्डिंग, अगेन रीड द क्वेश्चन आफ्टर क्लास, बैठ के खुद से इसको करना भाई. 10 सॉल्व्ड एग्जांपल्स आर देयर, दे आर ओनली आस्क्ड. तो एक बार उसको फिर से बैठ के कर लेना, एक बार मेरा प्रोसेस देख लो. One building is there, height of the building 25 meter, one ball is thrown vertically upward with 20 meter per second. They are asking you, first question they are asking you, how high will the ball rise? Is this height they are asking you? This height you already studied. Whenever you throw the ball vertically up, how much height ball will go further up? U square by 2g. I think everyone knows the formula for H max vertically upward projection, U square by 2g. That means 20 square by 2g. G they are taking as 10. So 2 into 10, that will come 20 meter. Means if they ask you height from here, height from the tower, then height from the tower will become 20 meter. But most of the time when they ask this question, they ask, find the height from the ground up to which ball will rise. If they ask you total height or height from ground, then it will become already 25 extra 20. So total height will become 25 plus 20. That will become 45 meter. So two questions can be asked. Question को अच्छे से पढ़ना है एग्जाम में भाई. This is also one of your problem. Many people have said the correct answer. No problem. Yeah, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Okay, no problem. Okay, Afia, okay, no problem. Yeah. So इस क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से पढ़ना. This is the first part which is less time asked. Mainly they ask this part. How long it will be before the ball hits the ground? When this language comes in the NEET, many people start thinking, how long will it take? How long? People start thinking, कितना लंबा है, कितना छोटा है, कितना लंबा है. नहीं भाई, language देखो NCERT का. How long will it be before the ball hits the ground? कितना time लेगा? They are asking you total time of flight. So in this type of situation, I already told you time of flight you can calculate. Time of ascent plus time of descent. Ascent you already know U by G. Descent you already know under root of 2 H max by G. Now from here you can calculate. U was given 20 by 10 plus under root of 2 H max. H max will be 45. G will be 10. So this will become 3. This will become 2. 3 plus 2, that will give you 5 seconds. Is it okay bhai? Hello. Is it okay? दोनों important, मेरे बताने से नहीं होगा. This is not enough for this model. खुद से करोगे और क्वेश्चन है नोट्स में. And they did not mention. Again it will become controversy. You know, if this question will come, how high it will rise? Again it will become controversy. Some people will say from the ground or from where, sir? No need to do Saqib from equation of motion. Why unnecessary waste your time? Done. Over. Do like this. That is more easy. No problem. Yeah. So this is how we can do. No problem. Yeah. So now we'll move further. Otherwise, same question we'll keep on saying. Equation of motion you already know. They have done long calculation. Free fall without air resistance you already know. Acha, Galileo's ratio everyone knows. Again some graphs are there. इसको भी देख लेना ग्राफ को भाई. Graph. They have dropped the ball. They are saying you, yeah. This is also important graph. They are saying you. एक बार खुद से बैठ के देखना. They can ask you this year paper totally designed from NCERT. They can ask, yeah. एक बार देख लो graph. I will, yeah. During marathon gold also I did not told this graph, so now I will tell, so that even some people miss there will get now. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Here they are saying you one ball they are dropping. Okay. This point, the point from where they are dropping, that point they are taking as y equal to 0. Means when the ball will go down, means they are taking this as origin. As the ball will go down, y will become more and more negative. They are taking downward direction to be negative. Now from here they are asking you, first thing they are asking you about acceleration. So you already know acceleration due to gravity, that will be constant. Downward, that acceleration due to gravity they have taken negative. So constant acceleration, negative acceleration. एक बार देख लो भाई, जल्दी से मैं बता रहा हूँ ये ग्राफ. I don't have free fall. It's a free fall. Yeah. So this is the graph for acceleration time. Acceleration will be minus g because they are taking downward direction as negative, upward direction as positive. So minus 9.8 negative acceleration. Chalo. About velocity, you already know v will be equal to u plus at, u will be 0, a will be minus g because they have taken downward direction as negative. So minus gt means v will be coming as minus gt, means with time velocity will increase, but it will increase in negative direction. So graph will come like this, linear graph will come straight line. And about displacement means from here y value, so y you will write as ut will become 0, a will be minus g into t square. So y will become minus half gt square. Means you will get a parabola. You will get a parabola in negative axis. Is it okay, bhai? फिर से मैं बता दूंगा ये ग्राफ, because already one question of motion under gravity came, graphical question. So this question can be also asked. Proportional to t square. एक बार फिर से मैं बता दूंगा. Don't worry. फिर से बताऊं, चलो त्वरगा, I don't have time. चलो 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 एक बार देख लो, एक बार देख लो, एक बार देख लो, एक बार देख लो. I am telling right now, if question will come in the NEET, I'll make a separate video. You can see in the channel we are making some separate videos, small videos where we have told. This question I told. Again it will come, again I will put there. So so एक बार देख ले. हाँ. Question is like this. One tower is there. And from here, this is our origin, 0, 0. Okay. Means downward direction will be your negative y-axis. And they are saying you one ball is dropped from here. And they are taking downward direction as negative. So acceleration due, yeah, they are taking downward direction as negative. So you already know acceleration due to gravity will be minus g. Because upward they have taken positive, so downward will automatically become negative. So if you draw the acceleration time graph, this acceleration will be constant, minus 9.8 will come. Done. This is acceleration time graph. Twarga bhai. About velocity, you will write v equal to u plus at, u 0, a will be again minus g because they have taken upward direction as positive. Same thing happened in the question also they gave. They taken downward, upward direction as positive, downward direction as negative. So v equal to u plus at, a minus g into t. Again v will come minus gt. Minus gt means straight line. Negative means that straight line will go in negative direction. This is the velocity time graph. Hey Bhagwan, displacement means y coordinate. So y coordinate ut will be 0. Half a will be minus g into t square. Means y will become minus half gt square. T square means parabola, and negative means you'll get negative direction parabola. Is it okay भाई? जल्दी 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 त्वरगा समय हम ले दो. I don't have time. जल्दी से बोल दे, जल्दी से बोल दे. फिर से बैठ के देखना प्लीज, खुद से करना. ऐसे ओरली कितना टाइम? This is a crash course we are having. I cannot give more time than this. 2 बार बता दिया तो एक बार फिर से बैठ के देखना. चलो चलो भाई, let's move further. Is it okay? कुछ बोल दिया करो भाई. Okay. YouTube people, app they are saying, no problem, yeah. Clear? Done, no problem, yeah. Galileo's ratio, I think everyone knows, 1:3:5, हाँ. समय हम ले दो मेरे. Galileo's ratio, no need to discuss. Again, but can be asked, yeah. Stopping distance and stopping time. So I think everyone knows, I'll simply tell you the formula. Stopping distance, everyone knows. For stopping distance, S will be u square by 2a. And stopping time will be, A means retardation, magnitude of acceleration. We have to take here, no problem. Let's move further. The question, I think you know. एक बार देख question number 3.8 देख ले, चल देख ले. ये बताया था बहुत डिटेल में, मैराथन गोल्ड में बहुत डिटेल में बताया ये. एक बार देख ले. 3.8, where you have seen video issue is there, yeah. You will realize why this marathon gold was important, all this, yeah. Video, okay, no problem, it's coming. Same reaction time I told. No issue now. Yeah. Reaction time. Reaction time. I explained in detail about this. I explained. Oh, hey. Now video is coming. No problem. I checked. So same question came. So that's why I said you this question came. Any question can come. Stopping distance can come. Stopping time can come. Anything can be asked. तो एक बार देखोगे इसको 3.8 अब आ गया तो नहीं आएगा इसको skip भी कर you can skip also otherwise again people will say paper leak happened. Yeah, okay. But okay, I can explain. So during reaction time body will fall. So fall means free fall. So free fall height you can always write half gt square. Means if your reaction time is more, height will be also more. Height fallen will be more if your reaction time will be more. So this already you know, and question was framed from here. I explained there in detail. So already came. I'm not giving more time. So you can do no problem. Yeah. And sometimes they also ask height. They will say scale has fallen this much height. Find the reaction time. So from here you can find reaction time also. That is same as time of free fall under root of 2h by g. That's why I'm asking you to do all this question very perfectly. समझ में आया? चलो भाई, let's move further. We don't have time. They have calculated also reaction time. Same thing they have used. Now relative velocity. Okay, again these graphs deserve to be asked in the NEET. These graphs again deserve to be asked in the NEET. Okay, I know many people did correct. That's why those who attended the class perfectly, they have done. That's why now also you have to attend perfectly. These graphs, okay, I think position time graph given, slope of position time graph represent velocity. Here both have equal slope. Equal slope means equal velocity. Here slope of A is more, angle is more for A, means VA is more than VB. Here A has positive slope, so velocity of A is positive. B has negative slope, so velocity of B will be negative. So I think everyone will get, yeah. Okay, no problem, yeah. So again फिर से देख लेना भाई, फिर से देख लेना. This is also important graph. Both graphs are important. No problem. अच्छा, can you tell me in this graph, because in JEE Mains they ask one point here. In this graph, can you tell me who is crossing whom? Out of A and B, who is crossing whom? A is crossing B or B is crossing A? Who is overtaking? A is overtaking B or B is overtaking A? जल्दी बोल दो भाई. At what time? A is overtaking B, of course. A is overtaking B. A has crossed B at what time? At what time? They can ask you. A has overtaken B at what time? अरे B कैसे overtake कर रहा है पागल? A का ग्राफ ऊपर जा रहा है B से, तो A overtake कर रहा होगा ना. At t equal to 3 second. T equal to 3 second. At t equal to 3 second, A has overtaken B. They can give you one graph and multiple question they can ask. चलो, I think everyone एक बार फिर से बैठ के देखोगे. What is difference between this graph and this graph? Both two particle. Here also two particle A and B. Here also two particle A. What is the difference? And here at what time crossing? What is difference in this graph? जल्दी बताओ. Here no one is overtaking anyone. This is opposite. In this situation, both particles are moving in the same direction. Here we cannot say overtake. Here we will say cross each other. Here we will say A and B cross, because both are going in opposite direction. One has positive velocity, one has negative velocity. So both are going in opposite direction. So we will not say overtake. We will say both are crossing each other. No word. We will say A and B are crossing each other at t equal to 1 second. Here we will say A overtake B at t equal to 3 seconds. So एक बार देख लेना, no problem, yeah. No problem, yeah. Question number 3.9. Relative velocity, I think everyone will get. You have to simply use, no problem, मैं बता देता हूँ formula, पढ़ लेना because time is limited, but करोगे, if any problem comes you can ask, no problem, yeah. So two parallel tracks are there, three things are there. They are asking you VAB, velocity of A with respect to B, that is VA bar minus VB bar. Or if they ask you VBA, that will come VB bar minus VA bar, no problem. No problem. Yeah. If they talk about velocity of ground, you have to take 0. So these are the 3 things you have to use, and important. ये भी important है. Direction. Vectors are there. ऐसे नहीं करोगे. Direction, I cap, J cap, you have to take vectors. So that's why direction is important. You have to take direction also. I think you will get no problem. तो एक बार बैठ के देखना. Nothing to be explained. You have to use these formulas. No problem. Yeah. Oh wow, motion in a straight line అయిపోయింది. Now exercise questions are there. We will send you as assignment. Rohit Sankar, correct, no problem. Yeah, these exercise questions are tough question. This question mark that will be sent to you by the night. Those questions will be sent to you. These questions you have to do. Same such questions will appear in your test also. So practice will be done. No problem. Yeah. So this question number, not all questions you cannot solve right now. That much time is also not there, and all are not important also. But relevant questions will be sent to you, and you have to do those questions. And we'll now move to next chapter because time is limited. So speed up we have to do. Is it okay? Is this class was helpful? Motion in a straight line, was it helpful till now? Kuch help hua? Not just to make us happy. Don't to make me happy or anyone happy, Naresh sir happy, Gosalites team happy. Was it helpful? कुछ लगा कि यार सब फिर से शुरू कर सकते हैं, सब फिर से start कर सकते हैं. It's not like that things went from our mind. It's there, sir. It's there, maybe something up and down in between, something done. So that's why, but we can do, sir. That is the meaning of this class. This is the meaning. How you feel better? Oh, कुछ सब तो याद है. Maybe फिर से एक बार पढ़ना पड़ेगा. So that's why these classes are okay. Many people have pura marathon also we did. Yeah. So it will be helpful for you. So let's move further. No problem. Yeah. Motion in a plane, not tomorrow. Today only we have to complete motion in a plane also. Limited time, maximum impact. This is what we can do. Yeah. Assignment will be sent. Okay. Do questions. Exercise question will cover up there. Question number also will give. Let's move further. Motion in a plane. About vector, so many stories are there. And again, this is also my favorite question. Maybe why not coming, I don't know. Question number 4.1. Okay. Question number 4. Yeah. Okay, चलो ठीक है, डिमांड बंद करो, अब देखो all demands will be fulfilled. Yeah, एक बार देख लो. My favorite question 4.1 because I have been waiting for someone for longer time in the rain having umbrella and wind was blowing, rain was falling. So that's why this is my favorite question. That is my favorite question. Why not coming? I don't know. Why not coming? I don't. People remember the answer also. But this was because I was waiting in rain. And for someone, wind started blowing. So I have to keep umbrella. I have to rotate my umbrella. So my favorite question. Now people are started to say, yeah, chalo, okay, okay. So people know already, nothing to be said. That umbrella color was also pink. Wow. Chalo, अब यहाँ देख लो. चलो एक बार देख लो, don't miss. In NEET came, and it came in the re-NEET only. During COVID time, re-NEET happened. In that re-NEET only this question came. This in that. अच्छा चलो ठीक है. अब टाइम वेस्ट करना बंद करो, यहां पे देखो, नो प्रॉब्लम. इन दैट रीनीट ओनली दिस क्वेश्चन केम. तो एक बार मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूं. नो प्रॉब्लम. या रेन इज फॉलिंग वर्टिकली. एक बार देख लो भाई, एक बार देख लो. चलो एक बार देख लो. रेन इज फॉलिंग वर्टिकली विथ अ स्पीड ऑफ 35 meter per second. Means VR. In such type of question, VR will be known. And they will always give you vertical rain. Rain is falling vertical. So VR is known. Now wind started blowing after some time. So if wind will blow, Rain falling vertically, if wind will blow, due to wind, rain will get one velocity, just like your upstream, downstream. This is not part of relative motion. This is the part of resultant velocity which rain will have. So rain falling, rain will have its own velocity. If wind blows, wind will push the rain. So due to wind, rain will get the velocity in the direction of wind. Now wind is blowing from east to west. Wind is flowing from east to west. This is east, this is west. So wind is flowing in this direction. So due to wind also, rain will get one velocity in this direction. Means net velocity of the rain will become, which you are going to observe. Yeah, net velocity, resultant velocity. This is a part of resultant motion. Resultant velocity of the rain will become. Resultant formula you already know, but two vectors are perpendicular. Directly we can write under root of VR square plus VW square. Just like across the river. You have done river boat problem. Same question. Second thing, they will ask you at what angle you have to hold the umbrella. So angle with the vertical you can find theta. Theta. So angle with the vertical will become tan theta will become opposite by adjacent VW by VR. So in what direction? Against the wind. For example, here wind is blowing from east to west. East to west means wind is towards west. So you have to oppose the wind. Means it will be towards east. Towards east. Hello, hello, hello. Or you can say against the wind. प्लीज एक बार बैठ के देखना, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. दिस इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. री-नीट क्वेश्चन केम. Again you are going to give re-NEET. In that re-NEET question came. In COVID time when re-NEET happened, in that re-NEET this question came. Exactly same data also they gave. Exactly same data also they gave. They asked velocity, not angle. Is it okay? No. Sir, is it? This is not north, bhai. This is vertical. Upward direction is not north, bhai. Don't say this is north. This is vertical and this is horizontal. तो एक बार फिर से बैठ के देखोगे. Northeast we cannot say. For northeast exactly angle has to be 45 degree. If angle is 45 degree, then you can say northeast or something. अरे direction again. अरे भाई ये west है, ये east है, तो umbrella किधर की तरफ rotate किया है? East के तरफ ना. So theta degree angle from vertical towards east. Towards east. हो गया. यही है. Therefore the boy should hold. Boy. You can see boy. Therefore, the boy should hold his umbrella in vertical plane at an angle of 19 degree. They calculated value came with the vertical towards east. Towards east. This is not north, भाई. अबे गधे हैं क्या ये बच्चे? ये north कब से हो गया? Rain north से कब आने लगा? Does rain is coming from northern India? My hometown is in northern India, so rain comes from North India to Vijayawada. पागल हो गया. Rain comes from sky, भाई. That is vertical direction. That is not north direction. पागल है. And my hometown is North India, so I live in the sky. अबे गधों क्या बात करते हो? गादीदा girls and boys. चलो, no problem. Let's move further. We don't have more time. ऐसे ऐसे क्वेश्चन मत पूछो भाई. ब्रेक लग जाता है टीचर पे. These are okay. Again 4.3 JEE Mains question. Already I have written CBI. Important. Find the resultant velocity. You will do by yourself. I will tell you the formula right now. Find the resultant velocity. So two velocities are there. One is the velocity of the boat and one is the velocity of the river. That is the water current, river. Resultant velocity of any two vector. Resultant you can find. Resultant velocity will become under root of VB square plus VR square plus 2VB VR cos theta. Under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Is it okay? 4.3 जल्दी से बोल दो. No problem. Yeah. So this is result. एक बार फिर से बैठ के देख. orally things should not go after class, sit down. अभी दिखाया 2-3 क्वेश्चन बैक टू बैक दिखा दिया जो नीट में आया था अभी भाई, तो इसको बैठ के देखो, अपना रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी समझो, डॉक्टर बनना है। अब एलकेजी के बच्चे नहीं रहे कि डंडा लेके वी हैव टू बीट यू बाय स्टिक, देन ओनली यू विल डू। नो, अंडरस्टैंड योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, सिट डाउन एंड फॉर्मूला ऑलरेडी टोल्ड, बैठ के उसको फिर से करना, बैठ के इसको फिर से करना, इंपॉर्टेंट है ये। Let's move further. Motion in a plane came. Questions we will see. 4.4. Again important question. Again important question. एक बार देख लो. 4.4 एक बार देख लो भाई. चलो देख लो 4.4. एक बार क्वेश्चन पर लैंग्वेज देख लो. विल गिव, डोंट वरी. अबे रूट 475 कहां से आ गया? सर्वेन इज द रीनीट. ये फालतू क्वेश्चन मत करो भाई. यू हैव अनदर चैनल्स इन यूट्यूब, यू कैन सर्च. फोकस करो काम पे. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4.4. so many times this type of question came in JEE Mains. JEE Mains already 2-3 times they have asked this type of question. This year also one question came like this only. No problem. That came in NLM. We'll talk about that question when NLM chapter will go. Right now we'll talk about no problem. Yeah. तो एक बार देख ले. In this question they have given you position vector. They have given you position vector. No problem. Yeah. Ravi, no problem. In this question, they have given you position vector and they're asking you velocity and acceleration. So you already know whenever position vector is given, velocity vector, you know how to find. If you differentiate position vector, you will get velocity vector. So after differentiating, we will get our velocity vector. If you differentiate to 3t I cap, so when you differentiate 3t, its differentiation will become 3, so 3i cap plus 2t square j cap. If you differentiate, it will become 2 will remain as it is, t square differentiation will become 2t, so 4t j cap. 5 is constant, its differentiation will become 0. So this is velocity vector. They are also talking about acceleration vector. Now differentiate velocity, will get acceleration. So this differentiation will now become 0. It will come 4. T differentiation will be 1. 4 j cap. Now from here we can get. Now they are asking, again important hai bhai. Tomorrow those who are not taking it seriously, you'll regret. Same thing I told for that reaction time question. Some people are not taking it seriously and they are now regretting that question I was not able to do. But that now gone. Now future pe focus karo. Such questions are asked. So now they are asking you find the velocity at t equal to 1 second. You can put here t equal to 1. Your velocity will come. So it will be 3i cap plus 4j cap. If anyone asks you speed, speed means magnitude of velocity, under root of 3 square plus 4 square. इसको भी करना भाई, बहुत important question है. 5 meter per second. Acceleration, if anyone asks you, acceleration is constant. Anytime they ask you, acceleration will come 4 meter per second square. Acceleration magnitude will come 4 meter per second square. So this is, I think everyone will get, but एक बार फिर से देखना इसको. You can check. Acceleration came 4j cap. चलो भाई, velocity came at t equal to 1 second. Magnitude came. And direction also they gave. This direction was used in question of NLM also. If you remember, one force was of 8 Newton, one force was of 6 Newton. Hello. There also they ask angle with x-axis, angle with y-axis, tan theta, Vy by Vx. I told with 8 Newton, 6 Newton. So angle came in NLM. NLM one question was there. I will tell you that question there. No problem. Let's move further. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4.5 एक बार देख लो भाई, ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. आई विल गिव सम मोर टाइम टू दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो. एक बार पढ़ो. Why problem is there going on, Ravi? Huh? Today is the work, today problem is going on. Now came YouTube, some problem is there. Now came back. Hi, hello. Chalo, fatafat, bhai. We don't have time. Okay. So question number 4.5. Process I will tell. During marathon gold also told. एक बार खुद से करोगे. बहुत ही important है. बहुत ही important है. No problem. No problem. Yeah. So whenever such को एक बार देखो भाई. Hello. Hi. Focus कर. Important question आ गया फिर से. Again it can come in the NEET. Again there I will tell. Again we asked, you are not able to do. एक बार देख यहाँ पे. एक बार देख लिया. Always remember, whenever such question comes, you are finding I cap, you have to use equation of motion only. But you cannot use equation of motion directly, because you have different direction. Here I cap also there, sir. Here I cap, J cap. So whenever such question comes, always use equation of motion separately for x-axis, separately for y-axis. Collect the data. A particle start with initial value, with a velocity equal to 0 means initial velocity. 5 I cap means ux is 5, ui is 0. First thing, no problem. Acceleration is given, constant acceleration. Acceleration has two parts. X given 3, ay 2. Now once you got this, so whenever such question comes, velocity given, acceleration given, different direction, I, J, K given, तो उसको separate करो. X के लिए अलग separate कर लो, Y के ux came, ui came, x came, ay came. Now read the question. What is the y coordinate of the particle at the instant x coordinate? X coordinate means displacement along x given 84. And they are saying you when displacement along x is 84. What is y coordinate? Y coordinate means sy. They are asking you when sx become 84. At that time, what is sy? So once you know sx, you can find time, because sx you can, because sy you know. Sir, ui into t plus half ay into t square. थोड़ा focus करके देख. ये lengthy question है, tough question, it can come. Sir, you are asking me y coordinate means sy. Sy is what? ui into t plus half ay into t square. Now ui is 0, so this will become 0. Half ay 2 into t. But time not given, sir. But time we can calculate from here, because sx given means sx will be ux into t plus half x into t square. Now ux given, x given, from here quadratic equation will be formed. Solve that quadratic equation, time will come, dump that value of time here. You will get your displacement coordinate A. You can get your y coordinate. If they are asking you speed at that time, so speed also you can find. For finding speed, you have to find Vx, Vy, Vx as ux plus ax into t, t you calculated, Vy as ui plus ay into t. Just put the value, Vx will come, Vy will come. So speed will become under root of Vx square plus Vy square. Jaldi bol de bhai. Hello. No, that we will not do. Jitin Rao, something you have to do. Is it okay? Jaldi bol do. We'll move to the next question. We have our own planning. Let's move to the next question. बच्चों कर लोगे, but ऐसे देखो. Actually there is no meaning of any such class like this. Meaning is only when after class you'll sit down and do these questions again. Then only it will be useful. Otherwise, the way last 8-month classes passed, this class will also pass. So उसको बैठ के अच्छे से करना, तब थोड़ा आएगा अंदर से confidence. Yes, we are able to do. That's why we are doing in the class. तो करोगे भाई. Question number 4.6, Rainman problem. You already know Rainman problem. In this situation, I already told rain man problem, velocity of rain with respect to man. Whenever rain is falling vertically, then VRM you can find under root of VR square plus VM square. Directly this formula you have to remember. And if anyone asks you angle of the umbrella, tan theta will be equal to Vm by Vr. That theta will be angle from vertical in forward direction. Forward direction means direction which person is running. Hello. 4.6 important. तो एक बार देख लेना, फॉर्मूला आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड. अच्छा, न्यू नीट एनसीईआरटी नॉट देयर, मे बी दिस इज माय ओल्ड एनसीईआरटी, yeah, maybe, but okay, you can, this is also question of relative motion, you have this concept, so use it. If it's not there, don't worry. Now we got our most important part. These two questions, easy, important. You already know again. Forward direction means the direction in which person is running. 4.7, you already know. Yeah, okay. Forward means direction of running. If you run in east, towards east. If you run in north, towards north. If you run in south, towards south. Forward means the direction which you are running, that will be forward. 4.7, so you already know range for 4.7. उसको पढ़ो, एक बार theory पढ़ोगे भाई. I will tell you concept. Okay, no problem. Yeah, what we can do, yeah. So range for 90 minus theta will be same as range for 90 plus theta. Okay. And okay. So range for theta will be same as range for 90 minus theta, or range for 45 plus theta will be same as range for 45 minus theta, because these angles are also complementary. Sum of angles 90 degree, complementary angle, range will be equal. This is the proof. This is the situation they are talking about. Shortfall or exceed. This is exceed from 45 degree. This is fall from 45 degree. Means if your angle is same angle more than 45, same angle less than 45, then ranges will be equal. This will become 60, this will become 30. So ranges will be equal. Language you have to check by 4.7 का language check करोगे, 4.7 का language check करोगे. गलेलियो अंकल ये भी बोल के गया था, range for theta and 90 minus theta will be same. 45 plus alpha, 45 minus alpha, 90 plus 2 alpha, 90 minus 2 alpha. All these will have same range because angles are complementary. 4.8, easy question. Hiker is jumping from the top of, this is a horizontal projectile. You are throwing the ball. Important. They are asking you range. So U into under root of 2h by g. Final velocity after time t under root of u square plus gt whole square. एक बार पढ़ ले. ये important है 4.8. Hello. जल्दी. Is it okay? Horizontal projectile. Hi. Horizontal projectile. Range u into under root of 2h by g. Final velocity under root of u square plus gt square. T you have to calculate under root of 2h by g. Important, but you already know. I know you already know. एक बार बैठ के देख लेना. because time is limited. Yeah, so but please, तो अपना responsibility समझना, इसको बैठ के देखना, important है ये. This is also important question. 4.9 I think everyone will get. Oblique projectile. H max u square sin square theta by 2g already came. Range u square sin 2 theta by g. Distance from the thrower, time of flight 4.9, important एक बार देख लेना. Circular motion will not do right now. In motion in a plane we have only up to projectile motion. Circular motion will come separately. Is it okay? बोल दो जल्दी से. हैं? जिम का सॉल्व मत करो. First, do these questions of NCERT. These solved examples of NCERT. Because this year also question came. Most of the question came from solved example. Most of the question came from some person was asking, sir, exercise question you can discuss, solved example we can none. Actually, questions are asked from solved. Paper setter also don't have that much of time to see the all exercise question. Ready-made solution. So more those solved example will be those exercise question will be given as assignment or in the paper. From there you will learn. So don't worry about that. So क्या करोगे अब? First step, do, अरे भाई 45 plus alpha, 45 minus alpha, if you add both angle, it will give you 90 degree. 90 degree means range will be equal. Complementary angles, range will be equal. I will tell you what priority you have to do. First, do all this question of NCERT. Then revise your main notes, or reverse also you can do. Once you can revise your main notes so that you can see all the formula. Revise the main notes, see all the formula, then do all this question of NCERT. Then assignment will be given. No need to do paper right now. Do assignment. Then paper will come. Do paper. Right now no need to do paper because time is there. No need to do grip. Right now focus on main notes. Tarvata solved example of NCERT, Tarvata assignment, then test which will be given to you. So this is how we have talked about. बोल से bye bye bye, अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो भाई, confident होके पढ़ाई करो, positive रहो. इस बार तो फोड़ना है. पिछले बार तो बस select हुए थे, इस बार फोड़ के जाएंगे. Come on, yeah. Old GT paper you can revise 10 days before exam भाई. अभी से उसको याद करके बैठोगे क्या? Right now, our grand test paper, no need to revise all these things. पूरा syllabus एक बार फिर से complete करो. टाटा, bye bye.